Good evening, everyone. It's actually about 10 p.m. at night here in Augusta, Georgia. I finally put the kids to sleep. Today, I want to share with you my flight yoke system that I just got brand new. So I'm gonna tell you why I purchased this system. Wise, I have those two yokes here. Primarily, I was using this nice CH product flight yoke, and it worked great for about a good year or so. And then um, the USB start going really bad, so trying to troubleshoot it and kind of maybe manually do it myself. So I might still be able to fix that, but with this thing being really down and I'm not able to use it at the time, so um, I'm just gonna place it here for now. And then I have this one right here, which I had really hard time trying to adjust it and program it, so it was no good. So I'll probably end up, just put them aside or sell them or whatever the case might be. So, but let's talk about. I'm very excited about the Fly Yoke system, and I'm gonna unbox this today in front of you and tell you all about it. And then on a second video, I'm going to show you how to set it up. A little bit about me. I'm about a week away from my check ride from my private pilot test. I'm very excited about that. It's been a lot of training. The simulator does help a lot, but once you get to the actual flying, you kind of feel like, the sim is not, you just want to fly the real thing. But it really help you with currency and being just current and be familiar with everything on the Cessna 172 that I fly. Also, what I have here is my pilot fly lock record. So it's been a lot of flying. I started flying last year, April 29, when I did my actually April 27. That's when I did my first flight, and I've been flying since then. So I've done a lot of flying. I locked over 60 hours already, and I'm right now prepping for my check ride. And I also got all my endorsements that goes along. Your CFI has to endorse you just for about everything that you're going to be doing. So that's all complete. So I'm glad I'm done with that. And I'm also use a Bose headset. It's great investment. I didn't purchase it right away. It was over $1,000, and I bought it about 4 or 5 months into my training when I realized this is what I wanted to do and I want to continue. So I went ahead and invest in a nice headset. I also have a video on that, the unbox. So take a look at that when you have time. But let's get to the real deal, because I'm very excited to show you and how this thing's gonna play out.